In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Mailchimp subscription. If you're paying for Mailchimp and want to stop future charges, the simplest way to cancel is to downgrade your account to the free plan. I'll walk you through where to click, what you'll see, and a few tips so nothing important gets lost along the way. Start by opening your browser and going to Mailchimp.com. Sign into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're in, look to the very top right of the screen for your profile icon. Click that to open the account menu. From there, choose Account and Billing. This is where Mailchimp keeps everything related to your plan, invoices, and payment details. Inside your account area, find the Billing section. Click Billing, then select Billing Information. This page shows your current plan, your billing cycle, and any options to change or manage your subscription. If you're on a paid plan, you'll see an option to downgrade. That's the key control you use to cancel your paid subscription and move to the free plan. Click the downgrade option and follow the on-screen prompts to switch to free. Mailchimp will outline what changes when you downgrade, such as limits on contacts, monthly sends, and access to certain features. Take a moment to read those notes so you understand what will and won't be available after the change. When you confirm the downgrade, you're effectively canceling your paid subscription and stopping future charges. Depending on your cycle, the change may take effect immediately or at the end of your current billing period, so review any notice Mailchimp provides on timing. If you open billing information and you're already on the free plan, you won't see a downgrade button. In that case, there's nothing to cancel. You're not being charged. You can simply continue using the free features without further action. A few quick tips before you finalize the downgrade. If you rely on paid-only tools, consider exporting important data like audiences, templates, and reports so you have copies in case those features are restricted afterward. Review your contact count and sending needs to make sure the free plan limits fit your use. And after downgrading, revisit the billing section to confirm your plan shows free and check your next invoice status so you know charges have stopped. That's it. By navigating to Account and Billing, opening billing information, and choosing the downgrade option, you've canceled your Mailchimp subscription by moving to the free plan. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you wrap things up with clarity and confidence.